Going to BOCES really helped me project where I wanted to go and do the things that I wanted to do. When I originally went into the program, I went in for welding and got put into the machinist class. And then I went to the machinist class for a couple weeks and I realized that I really liked what I was doing and that BOCES was really helpful with what I was doing. Mr. Skeels was my machinist teacher. He taught me the first 2 years of BOCES. He was super great. He was really relaxed as a teacher. He let us do a lot of what we wanted, but he also pointed us in the right direction and made sure we were on track with what we were doing still. But giving us that freedom, I think, really helped us, or me, and all my classmates get really far in machining. With Greeno, I'm going through the New York State apprenticeship program, so I'm getting my journeyman certificate for being a machinist. So on the side of doing that, I'm doing Hudson Valley, and Greeno's paying for me to go through Hudson Valley. Starting out at BOCES, I got introduced on the manual side of machining, so I figured out everything that I had to do. Like I was pushing the table myself, moving the machine heads up and down, changing tools manually, for everything I had to do. And that gets your feet wet into what CNCing is, or CNC machining, where you're programming the whole thing and your machine holds a bunch of tools at once.
BOCES helps significantly just have the building blocks to move forward in this career, but this career is very demanding, so it kind of prepares you for that. In the machining world, you get out of it what you put into it, and I think that BOCES has helped him want more out of it.